When in doubt, go for the classics, especially with desserts. The combination of chocolate and banana never fails to earn a seal of approval. Imagine the rich chocolate mixed with the unique sweet taste of bananas. It's truly a match made in dessert heaven. Everybody loves moist muffins, and this recipe has 2 ingredients that can make that happen. First, Baguio canola oil. It slows down gluten formation and keeps baked goods fluffy. Second, banana. So if you have overripe ones, don't toss them in the trash because these are exactly what we need to add natural sweetness to our muffins. So, I have a clear bowl here. I'm going to mash the banana first. So you mash it really well. Okay. Time to add the sugar. And then mash them together. Okay, I'm gonna get the spatula. Okay, and then I'm going to add the eggs. Okay, mix them well. Okay, and I'm going to add canola oil. Add it to the mixture. Mix it again. I'm going to set it aside, and then I'm going to get the dry ingredients. So I have flour here, baking soda, baking powder. Okay. Now I'm going to add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Make sure you finish everything, okay? Then mix it. Okay. Once everything is well incorporated, add the chocolate chips. Mix it again. Okay, make sure you scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. I have a muffin pan here and muffin papers. And I'm gonna fill the muffin papers with our batter. So I already have 11 muffins here, and I'm going to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl so that I can make 12 pieces of muffins. Okay. So this recipe is perfect for 12 muffins. So make sure you preheat the oven first to 180 to 190 degrees Celsius. Smells so good. I can smell the chocolate and the banana. Look at the color. Looks pretty. Let it cool for 5 minutes before removing it from the muffin pan. Let's remove the muffins from the pan. It's not that hot anymore, so I can use my hands. It's so moist, it's so delicious, and the chocolate chips melts in your mouth. Expect your entire home to smell so good when you make this. It's delectable, perfectly moist, and with just the right amount of sweetness, this will be great for the coming holidays.